Namaste my yoga friends. Welcome back to Yoga with Arvind. So today we are going to learn a new asana that is called Veerbhadrasana 2 or Warrior Posture 2. This asana is a very good practice for your leg strengthening, your thighs, calf muscles. It will remove the excess fat near your hip region. It's a very good exercise for opening up your chest. So in this exercise we open up the heart region. So overall very good exercise for your shoulders as well. So let's see. It's always said it's better doing than saying. So let's start the asana. So for starting this asana we have to stand in Tadasana. Feel perfectly balanced in Tadasana. Your body weight equally distributed on both the legs. From here, open your legs widely around 3.5 to 4 feet distance as you are comfortable. Inhale and stretch your both the hands. You should feel like someone is pulling your both the hands in opposite direction. From here, we will do right side first. So turn your right feet 90 degree parallel to your hands. Also now turn your neck and see the middle finger of your right hand. Keep your hand stretched. Open up your chest. Try to lengthen your spine. From here slowly bend forward. With exhale and go down until your shin is not perpendicular perfectly to the ground and your thigh is not parallel. Stay here for some time. Take few normal breaths. You can stay here from 20 to 30 seconds. After that, slowly inhale while coming back. Straighten your knee first. Then turn your feet and your neck in front. And from here, jump back to Tadasana Sthiti. So this was from right side. Let's do the similar exercise for the left side as well. So from Tadasana, spread your legs widely around 3.5 to 4 feet distance. Inhale, stretch your hands. Now turn your left feet 90 degree. Also turn your neck and see your eyes or your drashti should be on the middle finger of your left hand. From here exhale and bend forward till the time your thigh is not perfectly parallel to the ground and your shin should be perpendicular. Other leg is completely straight, there is no bend. You have to keep on looking to the middle finger. If you are not comfortable, you can also bend your right feet little inside. If you are feeling it difficult to maintain the balance. Stay here around 20 to 30 seconds and then slowly inhale first. Straighten your leg. Then turn towards front. Both neck and feet should be in front. Then jump back and come to Tadasana. So this is the complete practice of Veerbhadrasana 2. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We will be coming again with another beautiful asana. Till that time, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching Yoga with Arvind. Namaskar.